Mr. Richard Torr has a silage clamp. Richard's never been a fan of silage additives, and he used to have quite a lot of waste. And one of the things about waste is it doesn't waste the stuff that the cow poops out the end, it wastes the stuff that she uses for energy and milk production. So when you talk about improving dry matter retention or reducing dry matter losses, what you're saving is the best bits, the carbohydrate and the protein. So how do we judge waste? Well, often we look at a silage clamp and we look at the shoulders. And the shoulders here, oh, no waste at all. And then we look at the top layer, because in fact, if you took a silage clamp and if we took that bottom block, it would probably have 860 kilos of weight per cubic meter. By the time we get to the top, that could be 450 or 500. That means it lets air in. Now, if you look to the center of this clamp, you can see what's happened. There's been a hole in the sheet and it's run down. You can see where the water's run. Normally, that would mean all around that area, you would see heating and waste. So again, it's not simply about an additive, it's about management. It's management putting stuff in the pit, and it's management taking stuff out of the pit. And as you can see there, that lovely clean cut face doesn't disturb the material, doesn't allow oxygen in. So when you've consolidated, it remains consolidated as you feed it out. That lovely density and that lovely management of the face cuts the risk of slippage. So there's advantage after advantage. Perfect for feeding and retaining much more of the crop that you grew.